Well, I think people are becoming more aware that trauma, human trauma, whether it's a war or abuse or, addictions, and this affect your spirit, or
Hmm.
if you want to call it your energetic body. I don't know. When I
Yep.
eat a lot of peyote, I become very aware of my energetic body, which some people could call it's part of your aura and all this. So traumas are stuck in your energetic body. And the peyote spirit, which also peyote has another name in some of our native languages. Besides peyote, which I explained means to illuminate your heart. There's also a name that is very common, which is called Tamat Kayumari. And what this name actually means is the spirit who can do miracles, or the spirit who can do wondrous deeds, or something in English I can try to translate it like this, who can do magic for people. And part of this magic is taking you back to a traumatic situation and actually reversing the effects of that trauma. Like if you lost your self-worth, or if you were, you felt disrespected, it'll get you your self-respect back. It will get you your dignity back. It will make you feel whole again. And in this way, it cures the spiritual um, the spiritual harm that was done to your spirit that's affecting your physical being.
That could help cure so much. I mean, even when you say that, even just, a lot of the problems with addiction have to do with traumas and whatnot, and in early childhood. And if you could really go back and fix that and cure that with taking peyote, I think there'd be a lot of people interested in doing that.